What's going on, guys? It's Duke. Welcome to my vlogging channel. I wasn't sure how I was going to do this or what I'm going to put on this channel, but I'm now in Jamaica. I'm at my mother's house. You guys remember my mother's house? They're doing construction on it right now. Anyways, we're on this field because my siblings are going to be, siblings and nieces and cousins, they're going to be flying this airplane over here, and it'll probably break the first time. Shanda, be quiet. Anyways, we're gonna be flying this airplane right here. And it would probably break if we do it up at the house, but if we do it over here where there's all this grass and stuff across the street from our house, you know, it probably lasts longer. So anyways, Romaine's gonna be the pilot. This is my little brother Romaine, and these are what, the flight attendants?
Yes. Flight attendant.
Shanda, are you a flight attendant?
Huh?
You're a flight attendant?
Yes, no way, me I grew up.
Do you even know what that is? Okay, you're the flight attendant. Nisha, you're the flight attendant? You're a flight attendant?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Turn it this way. Okay. We also attached this ball to it, which might just ruin it. It might just break it. Anyways, so Shanda is gonna count down to Romaine's takeoff. And you turn. Okay.
Ready?
Hold on. Let's see. Keep it in the center. Right here. Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, take off.
Okay.
I think I know what.
What? Okay, so I'm in Jamaica right now. This is my apartment, and right now what I'm dealing with is, I don't know if you guys can see me. Right now what I'm dealing with is, when I came here, I paid my Canadian orthodontist several $1,000s to put Invisalign in my teeth to straighten my teeth, close the gap, make everything good without braces. That's what the Invisalign is for. But it didn't come on time, so I had it mailed here to Jamaica where I am. But the Jamaican government now is trying to tax me thousands of dollars. They're trying to tax me on Canadian money for the value of everything that I paid in Canada. But what I paid in Canada was for consulting and for professional services. The actual thing that's in the box, the plastic things that snap onto my teeth, are not worth what I paid in Canada, but they're trying to tax me for that. So hold on. Hello?
So, how did I fly up a yard?
Oh,
Okay.
Okay, stop. The actual thing inside of the box is not worth more than a water bottle. It's plastic. What I paid for is for a quality orthodontist, the consulting with them, the meetings that we had. That's what we paid. That's what I paid for. And the orthodontist clearly stated inside of the letter that what is inside of the box, the value of that is 20 Canadian dollars. 20 Canadian dollars. That's what it's worth.
Let you know. Away there. I see it.
Love, wonderful, wonderful love, hello from God to me. Love, wonderful.
Yeah.
I know me.
Are you? Rihanna, Nisha, say hi. Hi. Wave on the hand.